Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to unlock all the secret characters in Crossy Road. These aren't just random prize machine pulls, each one has a hidden trick. So let's start with some the classics. Open the Crossy Road application first game. Now let's start with some classic. To unlock the hipster whale, you need to jump on the back of the whale when it swims across the water. While playing the Crossy Road in the normal original cast with the chicken, you need to cross over the whale while it swims to unlock the hipster whale. Now for the crab, move side to side like crab during your run and it will unlock. Like this you need to run. Like this you need to run to unlock a crab. If you want gifty, play during the Christmas and you will find a present. And for drop bear, play as an Australian animal and get close to the drop bear sitting in a tree. Now to get a drop bear, first of all you need to go to the collection and search here Australia. After you find Australia, use one character from the Australia and you need to play until you find the drop bear sitting in a tree. Then there's a Pac-Man set. There's another set which is called Pac-Man. As you can see, this is the Pac-Man set. Now here Pac-Man is a maze kind of mode. Then here you need to collect dots or interact with ghosts to unlock Inky, Blinky, Pinky and Clyde. Here you need to play the Pac-Man with these characters. Now you need to collect these dots to unlock the ghost. These are tons of other reasons, specific and seasonal secret too, like Michael Boom, Boombox and more, is requiring little in-game challenges or special conditions. And that's how you unlock the secret characters in Crossy Road. Some require skill, some need timing and some need pop-up during holidays. If you want me to cover each secret character unlock method in detail, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gaming tips and hidden character guides, and I'll see you in the next one.